Here's a quick video to show you how to change your tail light in your Jeep Renegade. All right, so once you open your tailgate, you'll come into the side. You're gonna see a little panel right here. You're just gonna hit this tab, and that panel pops right out. Next, we're gonna locate this wing nut right here. Now this wing nut is actually holding the light to the car. That's what's clipping it in. I'm having a problem because I can't actually turn it just with my hand. Easy thing that I found, if you just take a screwdriver, gonna have to be a smaller one, set it right in the slot, you can turn it and kind of break that seal just like that. Once you get it turning, just simply use your hand to take it out the rest of the way. Now once you've done this, simply pull it back and forth, and you've loosened it from the vehicle. And then to completely remove it, I'm just gonna grab this wire housing right here. We're gonna pull it straight back. And now you've removed the tail light. All right, to get to the bulbs, I'm gonna remove these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, next to remove the bulb, it's real simple. You're just gonna gently push it in towards the plate, give it a little turn, and it pops right out. Just like that. Then you're gonna take your new bulb. I'm gonna do the same thing, push it all the way in, give it a little turn, and it fits right in there. All right, next we're gonna take this, line the bulbs up, right back in, just like that. You'll hear a little click down here on the bottom. Then you're gonna take your 4 screws and place them back in. All right, next we're gonna connect the wire housing here right back into this. Then once that's done, we'll slide everything right back into place. Then the final step, very important, we gotta put this wing nut back into place. I'm gonna take one hand and place it over top of the tail light assembly. Put this in. We're gonna rotate that to the right. All right, we got that wing nut back in place. We'll take our little guard here, snap it back into place, and we're all done. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.